Hello guys, how are you doing? Today I'm gonna show you how I prepare my simple tomato stew. So in this blender I have my pepper, ginger, garlic, onions for the stew. So I blend it with a little amount of water. I blend it well, and this is your girl. I blend it so well because I don't want to see anything in my stew. So I put it on fire with a little oil in it, leave it on fire for some time. After some few minutes I go back to stir. Then I blend my tomatoes. Now I didn't add water to the tomatoes because they were already soft. If not, I'll have lots of water in my stew. So I just poured my tomatoes in the pot and I leave it on fire for some time. Now I had green pepper and carrots in the fridge, and I'm like, let me just toss all these things in because I don't want to waste it. And one trick about this tomato stew is anytime it's on fire, quickly add your tin tomatoes to it. If not, it would take forever to cook. Now when it comes to my spices, I have my shrimp, I have my curry powder, and then I think I have rosemary powder also. Yep. Then I added it to it and I stir with the tin tomatoes in it. Covered it for a good amount of time. It's not easy, but because the fresh tomatoes was already in it, it cooks a bit faster. So guys, this is how I prepare my simple tomato stew, which you can use for jollof, for yam, rice, anything you want to do with a stew. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this as I enjoyed cooking and shooting this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, kindly comment, and if you haven't subscribed, do well to subscribe.